If you wish to change the style of your font or text on Claude AI, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to change your font style, go ahead and log into Claude AI and then go to the sidebar and click on your account here. By clicking on your profile icon, you should see we have an option for settings. Click on it and go to General on top here. From here, scroll down until you get to chart font, and you can see the current font style is this default. You can now switch to these other font styles. For instance, I want to choose this sans, so I'll go ahead and tap on it, and by just clicking on this, my font style will have changed, and each and every time I generate a chart, the answer will appear in the current new font style. So that's how you can change your font style on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.